Other switch demonstration.
The
2.
You guys use
Yeah,
the
open this one.
A4R?
Yeah.
The second tray.
Paper in this manner. Okay, go in.
So I put my documents here. My documents got 6 pages. So you put in this kind of landscape lah.
6
portrait.
pages. 6 pages. Okay, 6 pages you put in.
Okay, then you go to photocopy. Alright, then finishing. Alright, then binding. Magazine sort and saddle stitch lah. Okay, then you press here. Then you press OK.
Wait. Can you go to the spiding again? Go magazine sort and saddle stitch. This one is at default open from right. Open from right will be like this, in this manner, okay? Like that. So leave it open from right, okay? Wait. So you can adjust the gap if you want. 2 mm or whatever, okay? Yeah. So this one is the gap between, right? That's
yes,
right,
correct.
okay.
Yeah, in the center. Okay. Press OK. Then you press OK one more time. So by default, it will go to the A4R drawer lah. So no need to change anymore. No need to select lah. So after that, you just press.
So you need to go, if you want to print color, always select auto. Never choose full. Because full black will be charged as color also. So always select auto. Okay. So that's how you select the magazine short finish. That one is the one that where the magic happens. So the tray will be selected. You output from here.
Okay, then you press.
Okay, come. Yeah. Yep. Ends.